video, I want to share with you what goes in my day. I have school today. It's a Saturday. I have land law class from 2 to 6 p.m. It is a 4-unit class, and I'll take you guys with me. Sana mapanindigan ko tong pag-vlog ko today because this is the first time I'll be doing this. And usually kapag naman weekends, mas madali, mas mahaba yung time to do things na ganito. So I hope you guys will enjoy the video. I'll update you guys later. For now, on the way tayo sa school. Pa-EDSA ako ngayon. So yun ang daan ko. And then Cavitex, tapos Dasma. So yeah, let's go! Okay, so nag-iba ako ng daan. Hindi ako aabot if I proceed with the route ng Cavitex. Di ako aabot because I only have 1 hour before my class. So, kailangan mag-MCX na ako. Ito pinakaayo ko. Kasi if nalilito ako sa daan na ganyan, if I'm having a hard time, madalas naliligaw ako. So, wag naman please. I made it to school right on time. Ayan, kita ba? I have 8 minutes to prep. Let's go. From Ipanyari. So, ito California Maki at tempura tsaka enoki. Yan yung in-order ko. So, yan na lang kakainin ko. Kailan ba to? Hanggang dito lang naman ako. Tomorrow. So, okay na natin to. By the way, ito na ang aking mga nabili sa Shopee. So, this one for the toilet. Ganyan siya. Ito din, Shopee din. Ayan. Like this. Sobrang daming kalat. Because I'm still fixing my items. Tapos, ito. Laundry basket siya. Tapos, super slim niya. Ayan o. Ganyan lang siya sa gilid o. Tapos ito, lalagayan ng aking mga libro and bag every time I'm here for school. Ayan, cute. Ayan siya. Tapos multipurpose lagi ginagawa ko kasi ito, pwede pa yun malagyan ng mga toys ng anak ko. So, yan. done with our errands. It's 9. It's almost 9. Ay, hindi naman. good. Surprisingly good. Itong cappuccino nila. Guys. Oh my God. Super sarap. Magpunta ng ay, bakit ba dito ito nilagay? Nag-ano tuloy. Ayan. Tumigas tuloy siya. Anyway, tikman na natin. Ito yung pinaka-reason ba't ako grabe talaga. Super sarap. I've cleaned everything. And okay na. Super clean na. So, yun lang guys. I'm so tired. Ang dami kong inayos. Even the cabinets, lahat inayos ko. I tidied up everything. Tapos tomorrow magwawalis na lang ako. I'll ensure na maayos siya kasi hindi kami dito nakauwi ng 2 weeks ata. Because yung partner ko, meron siyang seminar sa Cebu and Bohol. Tapos ako naman midterms ko. I'll try to squeeze in as many tasks as possible tomorrow, pero mas pipiliin ko pa rin talaga magpahinga. Sobrang napagod ako nung midterms, like wala talagang tulog because I'm adjusting with my new work and then at the same time, need ko mag-prepare for our finals. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. I miss vlogging and I'll try to upload more videos. Yun na guys, thank you for watching. Bye!